All right, this is, I've got about 3 or 4 miles put onto this so far, and it is well worth everything that has gone into it. Absolutely worth it. Yes! Man, this thing is gonna haul, like, yeah, 65 is gonna be no problem. And the weight is just so low to the ground that it's super stable. It's just ridiculous how stable this feels under you. Like, you don't get the feeling like yeah, it feels solid and grabbing the road. It's not being tricky at all. It's got a real nice float in the lane. It's just sweet, man. We freaking nailed it. And yeah, I really can't wait to get the brakes fully dialed in because yeah, this is just a little bit uncomfortable not knowing how to make it stop. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! So much stability underneath you. Like, I mean, for real, that is just like, that's so comfortable. It's the most comfortable turn I've ever done. Wow. This is what an electric motorcycle ought to be. Like, this is what any motorcycle ought to be like this. It's so stable, it's just ridiculous. No dabbing, no touchdowns, freaking no nothing, just on. This is just so freaking rad. It's, oh yeah. Woo! All right. Okay.
Look at that smile.
Second speed, this thing's just got a stupid amount of power. Stupid amount of power.